Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making an easy tomato and egg stir fry. Well, this is a classic dish that requires two ingredients, ripe tomatoes, a couple of eggs, and optionally if you're using onions. First, remove the parts of the tomatoes you can't eat there and then slice them. It helps to have really ripe tomatoes for this recipe, and it also helps to have a sharp knife. So cut those tomatoes into wedges, put them into a little bowl, and then sprinkle the amount of sugar and salt that's called for in the recipe, and set the tomatoes aside. Next, crack a couple of eggs. You can use more if you want. Crack a couple of eggs into a bowl, whisk them together, throw in a little salt, whisk that in, and set that aside. Next, thinly slice just a little bit of the onions, and you can see it's not very much, and you set that aside. Heat the wok or a skillet, if you're using that, with some oil, and when it's hot, put in the eggs and scramble them. You need to let them set a little bit on the bottom, then you flip it over to expose the runnier side. And when all the egg is set, remove it and throw in your onions. Cook them quickly, just to remove their rawness. And then you can throw in the tomatoes, the seasoned tomatoes that you have in a bowl. Once the juices start to run out from the tomato, they'll start to boil. The juices will start to boil. And at that point, you can see the juices boiling here. At that point, you can throw in the eggs and then put in your cornstarch slurry and mix that up really good. Gently though, mix it up gently, and then make sure that the cornstarch is cooked. Taste for seasoning, and then plate and serve. Thank you for watching Cooking with Dad. Check out cookingwithdad.net.